It is an act of surrender and acknowledgement of the fact that you don't know it all. And thank God you don't, as it will spoil the surprise. Prayer is also a moment when you receive the blessings of God and you commune with Him. It is less important what you say or how accurate you are in your requests. The fact that you spend time with God, it's enough. It helps you align with your unique expression and path. Prayer is a declaration of love. It's a surrender into love. It is when you put yourself on the altar of the self. Prayer is peace. When you bow to life, God, love, you become it. So go, walk as the love and peace that you are, my love. How beautiful. How beautiful. And I know I don't need to pray in a very formal way, or I don't even need to go to a church. I don't need to do anything actually. I can pray when I'm walking, or I can just talk to myself, and this can be my prayer. So what about you find your own way of praying? This is the practice. This is the practice, to find our own way. Our own way of praying. So go, walk as the love and peace that you are, my love. Hi, thank you for being here on this path to free love and love free. I wanted to let you know that if you want me to record a video on a specific topic, you can drop me a question in the comments down below or via email. You will find the email in the description of the videos. I see you.